Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another one of Kadina's YouTube videos. Today I'm going to tell you all about how to make a kaleidoscope. I'm doing a kaleidoscope today because Ramadan moon has been sighted and I want to make that telescope a little bit more exciting for the children. I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to make a kaleidoscope and how to make it fun for the children to think about looking for the moon. At the end of their kaleidoscope, they're going to create their own pattern so that gives it a little bit more excitement for them. Enjoy this activity and let your children enjoy this activity whilst they look for the Ramadan moon. Like, comment and share. Assalamu alaikum. For this you will need a standard cylinder. I use a crisp cylinder, smaller than the regular size, perfect size and width for the paper you will be covering it with. Taking a screwdriver, carefully pierce a hole in the end of your cylinder. Colour in your lid with permanent marker in any pattern you like. Mixing different colours does make it more exciting when you turn your kaleidoscope. Print out a geometric pattern on your search engine on a sheet of A4 paper. On the pattern side up, add tape to one width of your geometric pattern. Now cover it around the whole of your cylinder. Take A4 silver reflective card and measure it into 5 parts onto the white side of the card and join the lines. A4 will measure at 6 centimeters each on the length of your card. Using the lines as a guide, cut 3/5 of the card and discard the other 2/5. Use the ruler to create folds and tape the shiny side inwards. This will reflect as a mirror inside the kaleidoscope. Slot this into the cylinder and on goes your lid. All you need to do is look through the hole and turn your lid. Look up at the sky and let the light shine through. You'll see your beautiful kaleidoscope pattern. And if you want to know how to make a Ramadan moon, check the description below on one of my other videos. Assalamu alaikum. Don't forget to tell me what you thought of this video.